Good morning, students. Welcome to your science class. We will be starting our July chapter from chapter number 7, Things Around Us. Okay, so now what are things around us? First, we will discuss about the characteristics of living things, and we will also discuss about the differences between living and non-living things. Okay, so what are things around us? Things around us means कि हमारे आसपास जो चीज़ें होती हैं. Okay. Now, there are a number of different things around us. हमारे घर आसपास बहुत सारे different kinds of things होंगे. Now, let us see what are these things. Trees, cows, horses, sparrows, crows, insects, people, chairs, tables, rocks, stones, soil, water, air, mushrooms, eggs, cars, buses, clouds, plastic bottles, and televisions are some of the things which we find around us. Okay, these are the things which we find around us. We have tables, chairs, we have trees, cows, horses, living things as well as non-living things we have around us. Okay, now which of these things are living? इनमें से लिविंग कौन सा है एंड विच वंस आर नॉन लिविंग. नाउ वी हैव टू क्लासीफाई देम. ओके, हाउ डू वी सेपरेट देम एज लिविंग एंड नॉन लिविंग. हम उसको कैसे बोलेंगे कि वो लिविंग है या नॉन लिविंग है. हाउ डू वी सेपरेट, हाउ डू वी क्लासीफाई देम कि वो लिविंग है और नॉन लिविंग है. In this chapter, you will study the features of living things so that you can answer the above questions. ओके, आप इस चैप्टर में क्या पढ़ोगे? लिविंग थिंग्स के फीचर्स पढ़ोगे ताकि आप ऊपर वाले आंसर का जवाब दे सको. Okay, now so what are the characteristics of living things? See here, first characteristics of living things is nutrition is present. They need nutrition, they need respiration, they need growth, they need excretion also. Then we have reproduction, movement. Then we have response to stimuli and cellular organization. This in detail we will discuss in this chapter. If these characteristics are satisfied, then they are called as living things. Okay, now we will coming to this characteristics common to living things. Okay, now 7.1.1 eating and feeding. Okay, that is called nutrition. Okay, that is called nutrition. All living things need food. Plants make their own food through the process of photosynthesis, but animals get it from plants or other animals. Okay, living things को food चाहिए होता है. Plants make their own food by the help of photosynthesis. Okay, now but animals, they cannot make their own food. Okay, they are depend on plants or they are depending on animals. Okay, for their food. Now coming to next is food gives energy to the organisms so that the processes of life can go inside them. Okay, now food, what food gives? Food gives energy to the organisms. Okay, whether it be animal or it be human being, food gives energy. Okay, so that the processes of life can go on, ताकि हमारे अंदर जो processes होते हैं life के, that can go on. Okay, now next is 7.1.2 is respiration, the second characteristics. Okay, ये एक living thing का second characteristic है. What is the second characteristic? It is respiration. Okay, respiration. Respiration is a process in which energy is released from food. ओके, नाउ रेस्पिरेशन क्या होता है? रेस्पिरेशन एक प्रोसेस होता है जिसमें एनर्जी रिलीज होती है फूड से. ओके, द रिलीज एनर्जी इज यूज फॉर कैरिंग आउट लाइफ प्रोसेसेस सच एज ग्रोथ एंड मूवमेंट. अब जो ये रिलीज एनर्जी होती है जो फूड से हमें मिलती है, जो ये एनर्जी रिलीज होती है, दिस हेल्प अस इन ग्रोइंग. ये हमें बड़े होने में, हमारे मूवमेंट में, हमारे और भी लाइफ के प्रोसेसेस में हेल्प करती है. ओके, नाउ respiration takes place in the bodies of both plants and animals. Now this respiration this process takes place in the bodies of both plants and animals. Okay, it is a chemical reaction in which food reacts with oxygen to release energy. Carbon dioxide and water are also produced. Okay, though this is the process in which food, when food is used, this produced oxygen to release energy. Okay, After giving food, after having food, food gives us energy, it releases oxygen and then it releases energy. Okay, so carbon dioxide and water are also produced in this process. Carbon dioxide is also produced and water are also produced. Okay, now see, food plus oxygen will give here carbon dioxide plus water plus energy. Okay, now coming to the next, respiration should not be confused with breathing. Okay, respiration and breathing both are different things. respiration और breathing जो है वो दोनों अलग चीज़ें हैं, they are different thing. Okay, now breathing is the process of air moving in and out of the body. What is the process? Breathing. Breathing क्या कौन सा process है? The process of moving air. Breathe in and breathe out is called breathing. Okay, the process of air moving in and out. एयर का अंदर आना और एयर का बाहर जाना, दैट इज कॉल्ड ब्रीदिंग. ओके, ब्रीदिंग इज अ पार्ट ऑफ रेस्पिरेशन. ब्रीदिंग रेस्पिरेशन का एक पार्ट है, बट दिस इज नॉट रेस्पिरेशन. ओके, इट इन्वॉल्व्स एक्सचेंज ऑफ गैसेज, ऑक्सीजन एंड कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड. ब्रीदिंग का एक्सचेंज ऑफ गैसेज होता है इसमें, कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड एंड ऑक्सीजन का. द प्रोसेस ऑफ ब्रीदिंग इन ह्यूमन इज सिमिलर टू दैट इन एनिमल्स. जैसा हम लोगों में, ह्यूमन बींग्स में जो प्रोसेस होता है ब्रीदिंग का, वैसे ही सेम इन एनिमल्स ऑल्सो. ओके, बट सम एनिमल्स हैव डिफरेंट मैकेनिज्म्स फॉर द एक्सचेंज ऑफ गैसेस. कुछ एनिमल्स में डिफरेंट मैकेनिज्म्स भी होता है फॉर द एक्सचेंज ऑफ गैसेस. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, अर्थवर्म्स. अर्थवर्म्स ब्रीथ थ्रू देयर स्किन. अर्थवर्म जो होता है, इट ब्रीथ थ्रू इट्स स्किन. ओके, एंड fish have gills through which oxygen dissolves in water is taken in. So earthworms breathe through its skin and fish breathe through its gills, through which oxygen dissolved, okay, in water is taken in. Now in plants, how this respiration or breathing it happens in plants. In plants, exchange of gases takes place through pores, stomata present in their leaves. So how this process of respiration is happening in plants. In plants it happens, एक्सचेंज ऑफ गैसेस होता है इसमें. ठीक है, इसमें क्या एक्सचेंज ऑफ गैसेस कैसे होता है? थ्रू पोर्स. लीव्स में, पत्तियों में, जो जिसको स्टोमेटा पोर्स को कहा जाता है. स्टोमेटा जो आपके लीव्स में प्रेजेंट होता है. ठीक है, प्लांट की लीव्स में जो प्रेजेंट होता है स्टोमेटा. ठीक है, दैट हेल्प्स इन एक्सचेंज ऑफ गैसेस इन plants. Okay, so with this we are ending this topic. Okay, we have done 2 characteristics today, nutrition as well as we have done respiration. Okay, thank you.